Monkey King Bali was the king of Kiskindha and was the elder brother of Sugriv. Bali had a boon that whoever would come to fight against him, he would get half of his strength. It was because of this boon that he defeated the king of Lanka, Ravan, and sent many big demons to Yamluk. Bali, who was proud of his strength, once challenged Bir Hanuman to a battle, but he had no idea of the result. Let us know how Bali got the boon and how Hanumanji broke his pride. Bali had received a white garland from his foster father Indradev. He also pleased Brahmadev with his penance. Then Brahmadev gave him a boon that whenever anyone comes to fight with you in the battlefield, you will get half of his strength. Due to this boon, Bali became invisible in battle. No one could defeat him. He used to become even more powerful by getting half the power of the enemy. Once Bali, being proud of his power, went to the forest and started uprooting trees and plants and started shouting loudly. There Hanumanji was engrossed in the worship of Lord Ram. His worship was being disturbed by this act of Bali. He went to Bali and told him not to do so. In the pride of his power, he challenged Hanumanji for a fight. Hanumanji ignored him, but Bali challenged him for a fight by taking the name of Lord Ram. Then Hanumanji accepted his challenge. The day of the war was fixed. Before the war, Brahmadev appeared before Hanumanji. He said that you are Rudra Avatar. You have immense power. You go to the war with only 10th part of your power and keep the rest with Lord Ram. Take it back after the war. Hanumanji agreed to Brahmadev's words. At the appointed time, Hanumanji reached in front of Bali for the war. He stood in front of Bali, taking the name of Lord Ram. According to the boon, Hanumanji's power started entering Bali's body. At first, Bali was very happy because the power started increasing inside him. After some time, he started feeling that his body had more power than its capacity and it was continuously increasing. He was not able to control that power. Now he started feeling that his body would burst with the power received from Hanumanji. Then Brahmadev appeared and told Bali that you wanted to fight with Hanuman. Hanuman is Rudra Avatar and incomparably powerful. He has immense power which has no limit, which you can't handle. He has come with only 10th part of his power and you are not able to handle even half of that power. What would have happened to you if he had come to you with full power? In this way, Bali became familiar with Hanumanji's power without fighting.